The 3-2-1 formula of growth and success. 3 reasons why anybody works: money, comfort, and future. 2 kinds of mindsets we work with. One is the ease mindset, one is the growth mindset. And the only one way to keep growing all through in your life. That is, take challenges, solve the problem, move ahead. So this is gonna be a serious business conversation. If you are willingly excited, stay here and watch this video. My name is Alok. I'm an engineer, a postgraduate from University of Singapore, and a digital marketing expert from IIT Delhi. Over a 20 years of experience working with multinational companies in different countries, different domains, and different hierarchical positions, till now I have helped and coached more than 15,000 individuals and business owners to start and upscale their businesses in the multifolds. So here I'm inviting you to register for this upcoming workshop, which is by the name Business Startup Workshop, to understand the fundamentals and pursue your passion to create a sustainable and profitable business in the longer run. So I work with very limited people. There are very limited seats. Click here and register for your particular position, and I'm going to see you live there.